In this video, I will guide you through the process of contacting Shopee's support team to potentially resolve your account ban issue. Let's begin. You have received a notification indicating that your Shopee account has been banned. Before taking any further action, it is crucial to understand the potential reasons behind this ban. It could be due to a violation of Shopee's policies, such as engaging in fraudulent activities, selling prohibited items, or violating community guidelines. The most effective course of action is to directly reach out to Shopee's support team. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Launch the Shopee app on your device and tap on the Me option located at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the Me page, navigate to the Help Center section. In the Help Center, you will find a section where you can describe your issue. Be honest and provide as much detail as possible regarding the reason for your account ban and any actions you have taken to rectify the situation. After providing all the necessary information, submit your request to Shopee's support team. Once you have submitted your request, the Shopee support team will review your case and get back to you via email or within the app. Please be patient as they may require some time to thoroughly investigate the matter. By following these steps, you can effectively contact Shopee's support team and work towards resolving your account ban issue.